Let's say you're stuck at home for some reason, but you still need to buy a car. Whatever can you do?
Let's take it step by step using the best stock photography money can buy. And we'll keep it quick, because those streaming shows are not going to binge themselves. It's easy to do your research from home. The internet is a big place, but hey, let's see what we can find on kbb.com. The gist is that it's incredibly easy to read or watch video reviews, discover which make and model of car might best meet your needs, watch virtual video walkarounds of the exact vehicle you're interested in, and determine how much that vehicle should cost, all while wearing your PJs. Both kbb.com and manufacturer websites show current deals. In fact, we've got a page dedicated to coronavirus-related incentives. A quick scroll shows now to be a favorable time to buy if your situation allows. Pre-qualifying for a loan remotely is super easy. Thank you, Internet.
Your bank or credit union's website is a great place to start. Kelley Blue Book also has a car loan tool to help you figure out what kind of car loan you qualify for.
Most car dealerships have a dedicated online sales department now, and this is a good time to take advantage.
In fact, I negotiated the purchase of our family's SUV 4 years ago completely by email. And yes, we do need to clean it.
As a bonus, many people find negotiating online simpler and more convenient. Different dealers have different offers and different vehicles on their lots. As long as you're using the internet to shop, it makes sense to explore your options.
FYI, you can typically get more money for your car if you sell it to a private party, but if meeting random strangers in parking lots to do test drives seems like a bad idea right now, trading it into a dealer might be the wiser choice.
For most vehicle purchases, you'll eventually have to go to the dealer to sign and close your deal. Thankfully, you can abbreviate that process by sorting out the financing, insurance, and other details online in advance. For a fully digital experience, some car makers offer subscription and concierge services that will deliver vehicles to you for a test drive or final delivery. In fact, many car dealerships are expanding their dealer home services to include home delivery for test drives and purchases. Just ask your dealership if they offer those kinds of services. Or better yet, keep an eye out for those options when browsing listings on kbb.com. Neat, huh?
Bottom line, if you need to buy a car remotely, there are tools to make that happen and dealers that are eager to help. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have work to do.